The average price of a Bitcoin Cash coin is $102.74, which is a lot more than the current exchange rate range of $101.71 to $103.72 per coin. This is important because the previous day's closing price was $103.59, and the change was 0.850.82. This is contrary to the belief that the USD/BCH exchange rate is small. Bitcoin's cash value in the next few weeks and months. In all real ways, Bitcoin Cash will cost $97 on Monday, July 17th. On Tuesday, July 18th, the Bitcoin Cash estimate was 96, which was very high. 104 nicely 90 showed that the change was 0.850.82 in a subtle way. 89 showed how high Bitcoin Cash value hopes were for the next month. On Monday, July 17th, the price of Bitcoin Cash is expected to be 97. At least 104 people showed that the real difference was 0.850.82. Or so they thought. On July 13th, Bitcoin Cash is expected to cost $97. 104 lease 90, which is very important. On Thursday, July 15th, the highest projection for Bitcoin Cash was $94. Contrary to what most people think, 101 is less than 87. Bitcoin currency is expected to cost $99 on Friday, July 21st. Generally, it leases for $92 over a week. On Monday, July 24th, the highest Bitcoin Cash estimate was $93, but $100 actually leased for $86. On Tuesday, July 25th, Bitcoin Cash is projected to cost $94 and have a real value of at least $87. On Wednesday, July 26 St, Bitcoin Cash gambling cost $94, with the worst case being 101 and the best case being 87. This is a very important fact. Bitcoin Cash is projected to cost $95 on Thursday, July 22, with a maximum of $102 and a minimum of $88, despite what most people think. On Friday, July 23, the most extreme estimate for Bitcoin Cash was $95, with a maximum of $102 and a minimum of $88. Bitcoin Cash is expected to cost $94, which will be more than $101. Bitcoin Cash gambling cost at least $86 and no more than $93 on Tuesday, July 27. This is a big deal. On Wednesday, July 28, Bitcoin Cash is expected to cost $92, with a low of $86 and a high of $98. On Thursday, July 29, Bitcoin Cash cost $94, with a high of $101 and a low of $87. Bitcoin Cash is expected to cost $92 on Wednesday, July 28. However, $98 only leased $86 on that day. Bitcoin currency is estimated to cost $95 on Friday, July 14. This is very important, and 3 weeks later, on Monday, July 3. The latest estimate for Bitcoin Cash was $96. On Tuesday, July 11, the worst-case Bitcoin Cash price prediction is $96. On Wednesday, July 12, the worst-case Bitcoin Cash price was $93. On Thursday, July 13, 100 really rented about $86. Bitcoin is predicted to cost between $87 and $94, with a high of $101 and a low of $87. On Friday, July 14, the Bitcoin Cash gauge cost $94, with the highest price of $101 as expected in about a month. On Monday, July 10. The price of Bitcoin Cash is expected to be between $92 and $98. At least, that's what everyone who counts thought on Tuesday, July 11, when the Bitcoin Cash gauge cost $93. 100 extraordinarily rented 86, or so they calculated USD to BCH trading scale, kind of like 0.9733 coins per 100, which is usually very good. Today's close was 0.9641 less 0.9832 than the previous day's close, which was 0.9653. The change for the present is between 0.0080 and 0.83 and is usually a hug. On Monday, July 17, the dollar to Bitcoin cash exchange rate was 1.031 coins, 1.11, which was at least 0.962% higher than the day before. 1.124 usually least 0.971 in a kind of big way. Dollar to Bitcoin cash, guess 1.111 at least 0.962, which is a big USD to BCH guess on Thursday, July 20th. Cost 1.064 coins, 1.149 and especially no less than 0.990 instead of normal. On Friday, July 6, 2016, a cash check for $1 in Bitcoin cost 1.010 coins. On Monday, July 24, the dollar to Bitcoin cash figure was 1.075 coins, overall highest. On Monday, July 17, the dollar to Bitcoin cash figure was 1.163 with 1.031 coins highest. On Tuesday, July 25, the dollar to Bitcoin cash check cost 1.064 coins, overall highest. 1.149 really rented 0.990. A little further look, a dollar to Bitcoin cash guess on Monday, July 17 cost 1.031 coins, most expensive 1.111, definitely least 0.962, which is very common USD to BCH guests on Wednesday. July 26 cost 1.064 coins, most expensive 1.149, at least 0.990. Show how Bitcoin cash value prediction for now and next month. On Monday, July 17, the most important Bitcoin cash price indicator was $97.104, lovely lease 90, showing that the change was 0.85-0.82 and in every practical sense large USD to BCH expected on Friday, July 15. Standard Chartered has raised its prediction for Bitcoin in 2024 to $120,000. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin's price has gone up 80%, but its present level of just over $30,200 is still less than half of its peak of $69,000 in November 2021. Standard Chartered, Stan.L, said on Monday that the price of Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, could reach $50,000 this year and $120,000 by the end of 2024. The recent rise in the price of Bitcoin could encourage miners to hold on to more of it. In April, Standard Chartered predicted that Bitcoin would be worth $100,000 by the end of 2024 because the so-called crypto winter was over. However, one of the bank's top FX experts, Jeff Kendrick, said that there was now